If you are overwhelmed at the thought of posting on social media because you have so many things you want to talk about or post about, stick with me, friend. I'm going to break it down so easy to where it makes sense, and all you have to do is pick from your 5 topics, and it makes posting so much easier. Video content, reels, Pinterest, blogs, whatever you have, this is gonna break it down. So what I want you to do is grab a piece of paper and a pen. Doesn't need to be fancy. We're gonna keep it real over here. I'm gonna use my fancy little board so I can walk you through it. I'm gonna use my brand as an example to break it down for you. I'm gonna walk you through step by step. So what I wanna do is, my girlfriend Renee is my brand. That's your girl right here. My name is my girlfriend Renee. That is my personal brand. That is the main enchilada. So write your business down, write your name down, whatever it is that you go by, your Instagram handle, whatever it is, write that at the top. Then you're gonna pick your 5 brand pillars. What are your 5 brand pillars? Your 5 brand pillars, which they don't need to be 5, you can do 3 or 4, but I'm gonna do 5 for an example, is your 5 topics that make up your brand. So what are the 5 topics that make up my girlfriend Renee? I love small business. I support small business. I do small business tips. That is one of my brand pillars, small biz tips. That's one. Another thing that I like to talk about is Pinterest. Pinterest is my favorite thing to talk about. I love educating on Pinterest. So that is another one of my brand pillars, Pinterest tips. I have a podcast called the Dreams to Plans podcast. I have to promote that for it to grow. And we talk about small business tips, creative stuff like that. So that is another brand pillar, podcast. The next one I have is Instagram, social media, like apps and resources. So pretty much like Instagram tips, we'll call it that. We'll make it easy. Instagram tips. And then the last one is more personal. That makes me more like sharing my personal, what I like, what I enjoy, so that I can connect with people like you and my followers and my customers. So girlfriend Renee, girlfriend tips, life. We'll just say it like that. We'll just do girlfriend life. I share clothes and funny things and like makeup, curling stuff I like, lighting I like, just random girlfriend finds like nails and all that fun stuff. So these are my 5 brand pillars. You can have 3, you can have 6, whatever you want to do. 5 is kind of like my sweet spot, because if you think about it, 5 pillars, 5 days a week. That kind of simple. You do not have to post 5 days a week. It's not mandatory. I personally post between 3, 4 max on social media, just because that's what I can stick to. If you can stick to 3 consistently, do 3. Those are your brand pillars. But for starting out, I like 5 because it really gets your brain going. So now, in small business tips, Pinterest, podcast, Instagram tips, and girlfriend life, those are the things. So if you're walking or you're in the shower or you come up with an idea, so say I'm like, ooh, I really want to share my label printer. Now I go to my little thing, my chart of my brand pillars, and I say, okay, where does that fit? My label printer goes under here, small business tips. So let's say that Monday, I do a post for my label printer. Hey, small business owners, this is my label printer. What label printer do you have? Say I just found this new app. It's called Story Art app. It gives animated story tips. That's gonna go under Instagram tips. Story Art app. Okay, there's Tuesday's post. The next one, let's see. I noticed that my videos are doing really well on Pinterest right now. I just posted a couple videos. That's gonna go under here, videos on Pinterest. Oh, Tuesday is podcast day. So I can't put that one there. Tuesday is a new day that my podcast launches every Tuesday. So I'm gonna write that episode for that week. Episode, let's just say 11 for that day. Then girlfriend, if I'm walking or I'm at the store and I found these cute leggings that I'm like, oh my gosh, these are the best leggings of life, those are gonna go here. So as you can see, I'm already banking those ideas. So you can keep this on your phone, you can keep it as a piece of paper, a Post-it, whatever you do. If you have a planner, whatever you wanna do, you can put it in your calendar, anything you want. This breaks it down to where now, if I get an idea as I'm walking or if I'm in the shower, I can already bank it in that exact category. If I wanna talk about a recipe for healthy oats that I just found, doesn't really serve my customer, right? Those are not in my 5 brand pillars. By being in my 5 brand pillars, my customer, my follower, my friend knows what to expect from me. If I came in and was like, here's the healthiest lasagna you ever found, you'd be like, You all right? It doesn't work. So by giving my customer exactly what they know I'm going to give them, it creates relationship, it creates trust, and it creates this whole thing where my life is so much easier and so will yours. So say you're a fitness coach. Say you are an online fitness coach. We'll use this as an example. So if you are using online fitness, right? It could be home workouts, gym workouts. Those are two different subjects, right? Because what you have at the gym is going to be different than what you have at home. You can talk about supplements. If you use supplements, what are the benefits of them? Why would you use them? And then if you want, you can do healthy recipes. Maybe you have a healthy recipe for lasagna. And then you can do, say you like fun workout gear and you want to share your favorite fitness accessories or your fitness workout attire. If you have like your favorite clothes that you like to wear or certain things that make your life easier. Say you have a favorite booty band or a yoga mat, or you have these certain weights that make your life easier, or you use Beachbody on demand, whatever it is. So something that you like that is regarding fitness, accessories, or lifestyle. Those are your 5 brand pillars. So now when you come up and you see a fun oat recipe, you're going to put that under healthy recipes. If you are at home and you're filming a workout, that goes under home workout. If you're at the gym and you're doing some cardio thing that you don't have at home, put that under there. Supplements, you're using a protein powder to fill in to get your protein for the day. Put that under there. So it breaks it down so that way no matter what industry you're in or whatever product you sell, now all you have to do is stay within your 5 brand pillars and posting becomes easy. Breaks it down, right? So you can use this little method on a piece of paper, whatever you want to do to make your life easier. Now, I don't really have to write it down because I know I've been doing it for a while. This is my brand message. This is everything that goes into my brand. That is what you can expect when you come into My Girlfriend Renee. You're going to see all of this. Now, my customers trust me. I am at ease because I know exactly what I'm going to talk about, what I'm going to post about, and it'll be easy for you too. I hope this helps develop your brand pillars. Let me know if this helps you. Drop it in the comments below or like this video, subscribe, whatever you need to do. If you want more small business tips, you can check out mygirlfriendrenee.com and let me know if this helps.